Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Lekan Balogun confirmed as 42nd Olubadan of Ibadanland. Senator Lekan Balogun has been confirmed as 42nd Olubadan of Ibadan. Governor Seyi Makinde has on Monday approved the appointment of Senator Lekan Balogun as the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadanland. Makinde made this known through his chief press secretary, Mr. Taiwo Adisa. Makinde said, and I quote, "I am pleased to announce the appointment of the Otun Olubadan of Ibadanland, I Chief Lekan Balogun, as the 42nd Olubadan."